Welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know, today is the first day of the Nordstrom's anniversary sale, and I have been up since 1 a.m. my time, which is Texas time, because it started at 2 a.m. my time. And Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, it is the official day of the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. I have been up since 1 a.m. my time to try and get everything in my cart and paid for, and then of course get all the links to you guys. The video that I filmed yesterday for you, all those links will be in there, but in this video, all those links will be in there based on the page number, and then some of the other things that I've saw online that weren't in the catalog. And then in this video, I've sort of streamlined it to make it a little bit easier for you. I'll include the other video if you haven't seen it. Depends on how you want to look at things, because there's some video of Nordstrom's in there as well. But I did categorize everything to make it simpler for you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and show you in this video everything that I purchased. I've done expedited shipping, so it should be here. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. So as soon as I get it, we'll do an unboxing and I'll show you everything firsthand, what I got, and then we will also do a try-on in a future video. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and that you hit the notification bell. So without further ado, but I put the links inside today's video. I'm going to briefly go through what I purchased, and in the description box it'll be more cohesive, because then I could take the time to go through each of the categories and pick my favorite items. So, you know, whether it's jeans, tops, dresses, bags, things of that nature, shoes, lots of shoes, because I love lots of shoes, and I think I bought like 4 or 5 pairs of shoes. Everything will be listed in the description box, and then I have everything expeditedly shipped, so it will be here tomorrow. What time, who knows, but I'll do an unboxing with you as soon as I get the items in, so look for that video. So if you're subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you as always, and if you're not yet subscribed and you haven't hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that, because within the next 24 hours I'll go ahead and get the unboxing done with you guys, so that you could see the items that I decided to purchase, and we can take a look at them closer. And then in the following days I will do try-ons and lookbooks for you. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm a little tired, guys. I'm not gonna lie, the last 6 hours have been insane. Yeah, 6 hours, and I have a doctor's appointment in 45 minutes. I did not plan that well. So let's zip on over to Nordstrom's. I am going to I have purchased. So I did pick up another New Face Trinity. You guys know I think that's the best deal, and if mine ever dies, I want to make, and I don't know if they'll have this next year, so I want to have a backup, and I'm not going to get it at a lower price than $217. I got the, what's it called? The Derma Flash. We talked about that in the last video. I'm going to be doing, trying that out with you guys. These are the Mark Fisher Miggy boots. I went with them. I want to try them. I can't help it. I love them. I'm not going to be sure if I like the seam up the front of them, but we'll see. Picked those up. The Sam Edelman pumps, I picked those up. What else? Oh, I told you I was going to look for Joe's Jeans and Wit and Wisdom, and they had both. The high-rise Charlie cut are my absolute favorite, so I picked those jeans up, and everything's going to be listed in the description box. I picked up not one, let's do it this way, I think it might be easier. Not one, but 2 pair of the Lucky Brand wedged booties that Olive we talked about, and then I picked this one up in, what is this? Oh, a gray. I just thought those are really pretty. I picked up the Halogen Open Cardigan. I love this color with then the white or excuse me, the white with then the black stripe, and it's actually not a white, it's an ivory. And I just thought that looked so cute. I thought it looked so much like a varsity. And then the dress we talked about from ASTR, is that right? Yes, ASTR, the label, the green dress, beautiful. I picked up the satchel I talked about. There's these cute Wit and Wisdom jeans. I do not have this pair. They are cuffed at the bottom. These are the Absolution jeans. They're so amazing. And then they have a button fly, which I thought those were really cute. There's the halogen sweater we talked about, the Adidas sweatshirt. This is something that I did not see. This is the Treasure and Bond sporty striped sweater. Thought that was super cute. And then I can't remember everything. The Lathe ribbed shawl cocoon cardigan. And then this sweater, the halogen scalloped. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. It has this scallop detailing around the neck and around the sleeve, so it looks beautiful. I got it in this blue, and I also got it in an ivory. And then, did I get it in 3 colors, really? Oh my God, I got it in 3 colors. Okay, I got it in the blue, the black, and the ivory. Who knew? See, I was so tired. And then I thought this BP ruffle sleeve print shirt was super cute. I love the colors and the print. There's the Adidas leggings I talked about. My eyebrow pencil, I'm out, so that's Anastasia. It's not part of the sale. Love this turtleneck. I'm not huge in turtlenecks, but I love Topshop. This is a very lightweight, and I love that it is a 3/4 sleeve or elbow length turtleneck top. How cute is that? And that was like $15. Very, very cute. And those are my purchases for round 1. Round 2, what I've got in my bag, I'll just show you guys in case you're interested. These are by Frame. The reason I have not tried these jeans, but what I like about them is the slit. Let me pull the ankle up. See how they have that beautiful slit there with the little detail? I thought that was really, really cute. And so I'm thinking about those. And then my husband, oh my God, you guys, if you wear Versace or your husband, so I think it's mostly the men's. No, they have the pink because I have Versace, the pink Versace. Versace cologne, they have them and they are on sale. Et de toilette, whatever, that's the one. And it's on sale from originally $84 on sale for $59. So I picked that one up. And then my daughter uses Versace as well, and I picked up, that's in my cart as well. And then what I did was I went through and in the description box put some other things that if I needed them, I would have bought them. I mean, I could only buy so many cardigans and so many sweaters, but I wanted to give you guys, you know, some options of things that I like. It's just I may not need at this time. So there's just a few things. It's not too overwhelming. I don't want to, you know, bombard you with a million things. So those are the things that I purchased this morning. I hope you guys are enjoying your shopping experience. And one of the things I will say is that not to stress out too much. If something does, you know, if you don't have early access and you're watching this video going, oh my God, everything's gonna sell out. Look, you know, things come back in stock. I mean, there's a couple of vloggers that have been saying that, you know, they won't bring things back in stock. Well, they have every other year. I don't know why this year would be any different. I mean, obviously, if it's something you really want, I would certainly, you know, get it as soon as possible. But if something does sell out, you know, don't fret. Just, you know, keep watching it. Or in my last video I mentioned Shoptagr. It's a great app. It keeps track of things for you when it goes on sale or when it comes back in stock. So look that app up if you're interested in it. And again, just let me say I'm not affiliated with Nordstrom's or any products that I do love, or Shoptagr. I just want to say that. These are items that I've purchased and I'm excited to get, and the ones that I list in the description box will be there. And if you guys have any questions, always happy to answer them, but we'll do the unboxing as soon as I get my package. That's probably gonna. Hope you have a great day and have lots of fun shopping. Bye guys.